YouTube, what's going on? Kyle back with ePoolSupply. Today we are back with another quick fix video on Pentair's Creepy Crawly Warrior, and we are going to show you guys how to take off the rubber tires, the wheels per se, and how to put them back on. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we've got Pentair's Creepy Crawly Warrior suction side pool cleaner. So this cleaner is very popular out here, specifically in Arizona, as well as a lot of the southern states that are using any kind of suction side pool cleaner. It is Pentair's non-trade grade version of the Rebel. So essentially these are exactly the same cleaner. The only difference with the Warrior is it's able to be kind of shipped and sold online compared to the Rebel that's a trade grade meant for brick and mortar sales only. So essentially the only difference is color. And there are a few other cosmetic differences, but in some of our other videos when we show you and we actually get deep down into this cleaner, they're the exact same cleaner. So today we're not even gonna get inside, we're just gonna actually show you guys how to replace the rubber wheels on the sides. Over time, these rubber wheels, you guys can kind of see on the video, they have like little notches. So over time, the rubber itself kind of gets a little goopy just based off of the chemistry on the cleaner. So it does tend to slide and it doesn't grab the pool floor quite as well as it should. And then you'll also see a lot of wear where they'll start to smooth. And once it starts to smooth out, I mean, you lose a lot of the traction with the cleaner, and we always suggest taking these off and making sure that you replace them. It's just basic maintenance on the cleaner to make sure that it buzzes around the pool floor for you really well. It will work on all kinds of pool surfaces. Don't particularly recommend it for a vinyl style pool, just because if you're getting anything kind of slippery, the wheels don't have a ton of tread to really grab. So there are other versions of the tire that are similar with the Rebel as well, where it has more of a tread-like on it, so it can grab a little better in those environments. But for these ones particularly, they're meant more for a Pebble-Tec or gunite plaster style pool. So once they've worn and you guys are ready at the point of replacing them, the wheels, the actual rubber outside piece themselves, I'll actually have my guy put the part number up here for you, plus we've got all of them down in the links in the description below for you guys. But they do come as a pair of two. Every tire is going to be coming as a pair of two. When it comes to the actual wheel hub itself, that's a different story. But for this purpose, every tire straight from Pentair in their OEM bags comes with a pair of two. So really simple. To get these knocked off, you just set the cleaner up on the side and you're really just going to peel the rubber off of the wheel hub itself. So it just start on one end and it just kind of forms itself off and it comes up. So you can see inside, it does also have kind of like a track pattern inside that actually just helps grab the smooth hub. If that wears over time, you're not really necessarily worried about that. It's more about the outside, because this is what's going to touch the surface of the pool. So once you get the old one off, toss them out, you're gonna go for the new one. It's just as simple. You're really just starting on one, and just kind of like a bike tire, you can kind of just hold it and make your way around. Fresh out of the package, it's a tight rubber, so you do have to make sure you guys gotta get one end set so that as you're pulling to put the rest of the tire on, you're not just constantly pulling it off the other side. So just go ahead, kind of simply make your way around, get everything lined up on here. Sick. You do have to make sure it does have lips, so you do want to make sure you get the lips around the back part as well. So we're going to set this up. Go. Kind of easier if you kind of push it all the way towards the cleaner itself, so that initial piece grabs onto it, because again, this is a brand new cleaner, so with yours it may be a little bit different. Just make sure you kind of work it around, set it on, make sure the front is flush along the edge, so then this way you don't have any of the tire protruding over the hub itself, and making sure that that back lip is actually grabbing the hub on the back end and everything's on there nice and tight. And then you're just gonna flip the cleaner over, rip off the other side, do the same thing for you, and then you're good to go. Go ahead and plug your hose back in, drop this back in the pool, let it fill up with water and sink to the bottom, and you're ready to start rocking again. So today we just showed you guys how to swap out the rubber tires on Pentair's Creepy Crawly Warrior. Again, make sure you guys check out all of those links in the description below. We got a ton more videos coming out for this cleaner on how to open it up, rip it apart, change everything inside for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. See you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.